Hello everyone, it's me Lisa. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer USDT Tether from Binance to Exness. So let's get started. So firstly, you want to log into your Binance and open your Binance website or your mobile app, and then you want to navigate to your wallet. And once you're logged in, then you need to go to your wallet section. Then you can click on withdraw. As you know that withdraw is to withdraw the amount of money that you want to. So you need to choose and withdraw asset, which whenever is suitable for you will work. Then enter your Exness wallet address or whoever Exness wallet address that you want to send the money to. Then enter your withdrawal amount. This means that you want to enter the amount that you want to send. Maybe it's 10,000, maybe it's 50,000. So then you want to select a network. Since Binance supports multiple networks, you want to select the one that is suitable for you. After that, what you want to do is go to your security verification. As you're sending a large amount of money or a small amount of money, you need to send this amount of money so that the bank can verify you. So the next step is to confirm your withdrawal. After you've completed your verification, then click on the confirm withdrawal process so that it confirms that you really want to send this money. Then you want to wait for the money to process, and after confirming the withdrawal, then this process will take place. After that, you will receive a receipt, and you want to make sure that your receipt is the correct one and that it is of the withdrawal amount that you have sent. So you can check your balance after that as well. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you had the great video, if this video helped you out, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment as well. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.